Hey guys, so as you remember earlier in the year, I wasted $400 of my parents' money to buy some outdated design phone. So today, I wasted $600 of my parents' money to buy the new iPad Air 4. Yeah, just kidding. It's actually for my 6-year-old brother. His current iPad, the screen's already cracked and stuff, so that's why we wanted to buy him a new one. But anyways, after 12 long days, it's finally here, and let's get into the unboxing. So as we can see, this is our box right here. And look, we already have a convenient pull tab. Hey, my iPhone SE didn't get that. We can see enclosed is the iPad Air, and yes, it is the ugly blue color, but my brother just won it. So, like, we gotta respect his decisions. Oh. Okay, yes, it is the sky blue color. You can see we have Apple logo on the bottom, iPad Air on this side, Apple logo. So we do have a pull tab here, unlike the cheaper one. On the back, you can see that we did get the 64 gigabytes version, which is a downgrade from my brother's current 128. So all of his trash games not gonna fit, but nah, who cares? And by the way, the iPad Air only have 64 and 256, which is a bummer since there's no 128 in between. Well, Apple should just make the base storage 128, but it's Apple, so nah. And if you get the 256, you're already approaching iPad Pro territory, so let's see. 3, 2, 1. And the seal is broken. Okay, we're just gonna tear around the sides. Ignore the noise. So, yeah, look, we do have the Touch ID sensor here with the elongated power button. Ooh. I use paper to make it. I made a tripod out of paper, so this is not gonna be very stable, but I think it's giving away. Okay, come on. I know you want to get out of here. iPad boxes are always tight. Like, tighter than usual. Why? Why must you be so tight? Oh, come on. Okay. Now we have our first look at the iPad Air. Okay, here's the pull tab to pull it up. We can see it does have a very iPad Pro-like design. So I think it might be prone to bending. You can see it has no flash right here, and the fingerprint sensor was in the power button. Incredible feat of engineering. And you can see on the front, we can already see that the bezels is a bit on the thicker side. And this really isn't really blue. I think it just looks silver, but yeah, this year's all of the colors are pretty light. Now see, we have our smart connector to connect a Magic Keyboard, which does cost a $300 extra. But overall, it's just a cheaper iPad Pro. Now we can see in our box, we got a huge design by Apple in California. Want to see what's inside. We do have the iPad Air, the pamphlet, which was leaked earlier this year. The iPad thingy. And are there any Apple stickers? Wait, did Apple remove the Apple stickers? Oh, they didn't. Apple stickers are still here. We are still fine. I'm just shocked at how big this really is. We got our 20-watt power adapter right here with USB-C, which is removed from the iPhones this year, but it's still in the iPads. USB-C to USB-C cable, and of course we have a USB-C at the end right here. This is basically it. Now let's set this iPad up. Ooh, nice. I don't know if this looks really blue to you or does it just look silver. Let me know. Okay, so this size, I actually quite like this size. This power button feels really weird. It's like a metal and glass thingy. Let's power this on, see if we have any juice inside. Yes, the answer is yes. Oh, here we go. Ooh, the iOS 14 setup screen, which looks quite different. English, United States, Wi-Fi. This is our first look at the on-screen keyboard. And this also has the brand new 5nm A14 processor, which delivers incredible performance. And by the way, when you look at the top camera, there is no Face ID. Oh look, Touch ID setup. Continue. On the top button, which is right here, I think. Okay. Well, that wasn't a good idea. Keep going to capture the edges. We're almost there. Okay, added. Another fingerprint. Okay. Roll it this way. We can continue. No, you just touch it. Okay. By the way, the review video is gonna be coming soon, and more video, so stay tuned and subscribe. Subscribe to see the review and stuff. I'm not gonna do it right now. Continue. Later, not now. I can broken that lower. Okay. I see. Okay, the another nice thing you get with the iPad Air that you don't get with the regular one is True Tone display. So it basically senses the color tone of the surrounding light and the surroundings to make the screen cooler or warmer. So this is without True Tone and this is with True Tone. It makes quite a difference. How do I do automatic? How do I do it? Okay, I think I can't do automatic right here. Get started. So on the top, we do have a Apple Pencil connector, which sadly won't work with the old Apple Pencil. So yeah, you have to buy a new one because that's Apple. Okay, so we do get iPadOS 14 right here. These are the widgets, okay. Basically nothing on here yet. Okay, here's how the camera looks. Okay, let's test out how fast the Touch ID works. Okay. I say it's okay. Still not as convenient as Face ID. Does it have tap to wake? Yes, it does. So basically, this is a cheaper version of the iPad Pro. You can see the flat size on that. This is the unboxing of the iPad Air 4. This is quite an incredible iPad for much cheaper. But I do regret buying this because the 2018 iPad Pro is cheaper and have more features like the 120Hz screen and almost the same performance. Anyways, this is just a Pro but cheaper. If you want to get it, then get it. But I suggest you just get a 2018 iPad Pro. So thank you guys for watching. Review coming soon, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.